Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Well, new data in from the Hurricane Center. We'll get to Florence in just a second. In the meantime, locally, high surf advisory has been issued for tonight through Friday, though when you look at pictures down in Narragansett, low tide, there is some increasing surf, but it isn't too bad, but it will be on the increase overnight and through the next couple of days. Same situation down in Easton's Beach. The tide is low and the surf is not too extreme right now, but in the coming days it will be on the increase. So the high surf and the high rip current risk over the next several days as Florence stays well to our south, but that wave energy does travel up to the north. Take a look at temperatures right now with readings in the upper 60s. Only made it to 72. It's rather cool out there right now. Most locations in the upper 60s. Westerly now coming in at 70. Heading out to vote over the next several hours. We still have wet weather, but the real heavy downpours for now have eased up. We don't see any thunderstorms right now in Doppler, Rhode, but certainly grab the umbrella. Temperatures that are in the mid-60s, holding in the mid-60s most of the evening hours. Tomorrow morning, slow start. Low clouds and fog, but showers early will be ending. Drier in the afternoon. Not a lot of sun, perhaps some partial sun later, but a drier afternoon. Temperatures in the lower 70s. All right, this is Hurricane Florence. Even though the wind speed has come down a little bit, still considered a major hurricane. Carolina's right in here in the eye of the storm, moving off to the west-northwest with the top winds coming in at 120. At one point, it had winds of 140 just yesterday, but a Category 3 hurricane. The track thinking still taking it towards the Carolina coastline later tomorrow night into Friday morning near Wilmington, and then slowing the storm down over the next several days beyond landfall. This will produce a tremendous amount of rain due to the slow movement. So obviously the wind is a big factor, the rain, and then the storm surge. And it will be traveling over very warm water next 24 to 36 hours. So not out of the question for the strength to come up a little bit before landfall. In the meantime, the rainfall forecast still with impressive numbers along the track of the path of the storm, anywhere from 12 to 24 inches of rain. This is only up until Saturday morning. A lot of this will be moving inland over the weekend, even into the state of Georgia. The purple represents hurricane force winds, and you can clearly see them coming on shore later Thursday night into Friday morning near Wilmington, North Carolina. This is the eye of the storm. Where the eye makes it an exact landfall will dictate where on the coast the winds are coming on shore. That's the most dangerous part of the hurricane, the powerful onshore winds that push the water towards the coastline. That is the storm surge. And with a Category 3 hurricane with that kind of a surge can be as high as 12 feet. So the surge, the wind itself, obviously, and the torrential rain, all big factors across the mid-Atlantic. Our coastal waters, again, the waves will be on the increase, so heavy surf and rip current risk tonight right on through the weekend. And the weekend looks pretty good. Friday, partly sunny skies, warmer upper 70s, and Saturday and Sunday even warmer low 80s with a mix of clouds and sunshine, so decent beach weather. But again, the waters will be rough. It's a Category 3 storm still, and the coverage, the size, the aerial coverage is pretty large, so it means business, unfortunately.
All right. Thank you, Tony.